King. I am going out for another DoorDash schedule session. So right now it's still light outside. It's about 4:35 in the evening. And of course in about an hour or so it'll be getting dark. So we're going to do a nighttime delivery schedule. We'll see how it goes. So I'm bringing you along for the ride again. All right, folks, I got an order for Buffalo Wild Wings, $4.90 for the delivery, and $7 bonus. Cannot beat that. All right, we're gonna accept it, and we're gonna go ahead and take the order. Folks, I got another order, $6.25 for Chipotle's, and a $7 bonus. Let's go pick it up, and I'll get back with you. All right, folks, I got another job to Neil's Barbecue. It's a little mom and pop place that I'm going to go to, and $4.47 for delivery and another $7 bonus. I'll get back with you after I deliver. Another order, and let's see where it's from. I'm driving, so I'm trying to look, and so it's for Wendy's for $4.86, and we still are handling the $7 bonus. We would accept this and move on. All right, folks, I have a Wendy's order, and I'm gonna show you how I go through the drive-thru. And with fast foods, like I stated before, you have to order the food for the customers. Got to make sure I look at the order closely so I would order the right thing. It's only one order. Now, I'm getting $9. I'm sorry, this order is going to cost $9.86. And I told you earlier what I'm going to get for the delivery, not counting DoorDash portion of the money. So this customer has to be paying a big portion just to get some Wendy's delivered to them. All right, when I get on the back at the window, I'll turn it on again.
For the LLS Cancer Society? Thank you.
No thanks.
What would you like tonight?
Yes, I'll take a Dave double combo, medium, with
cheese?
With no pickles and no mayo.
But do you want cheese?
It does. I'm doing a DoorDash order. It doesn't say whether it's cheese or not.
Okay, I won't put the cheese.
All right, and that's
no pickle and onion.
No pickle and no mayo.
Okay, and was that in a combo?
That's a combo, and that's a Coke with fries.
Is that all?
That will be all.
Be $7.49 first window.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And now I got to pay with the debit card. Here's the debit card that DoorDash provides.
$7.49.
There you go. All right, you too. All right, I just dropped off my last delivery. Of course, you noticed the last couple of clips that it's been dark outside. I'm going to end this delivery, and then I'm going to try to end my day. And I'll give you a total here. Let me turn on some lights. All right, I just ended my total, and in that short period of time, I worked 3 hours, 3.3 hours. I did 4 deliveries, and I made $50.11. So that's the kind of money you can make definitely when they offer a $7 extra bonus for every delivery. All right, guys. Thanks for watching again. This is the Cincinnati Clad King. I'm going to sign off. Really appreciate you watching. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't, and give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. Have a great night.